The biggest achievement of few years, turnaround time, which everyone accepts as the biggest point of visibility, which either Navsheba, JNPT or Chennai or Kolkata, no one has been able to quick turnaround times.
I believe you're all hungry. Yeah. So shall we start lunch?
Yes.
And then we'll go for a small tour. Yeah?
And we have to appreciate them. We have to appreciate them. It's very clean. Some of the container terminals in Singapore or other areas that I have seen personally, also Chennai and others, they're a bit dirty, but whenever I see container terminal of Visakhapatnam has maintained its status quo, it's very clean. So it's all good.
One point what we missed here in this visit is, though we have planned to see live when a vessel is on the river, when the operations are happening, that time we want to come and see. There was one Musk vessel which is scheduled to reach yesterday. Unfortunately, it hasn't arrived because of the late arrival. Otherwise, you would have seen the live operations, how the container is being handled from ground to the boat. This we thought of, this we have originally thought of. It's your bad luck. We didn't have this.
Once they are ready, they will call us, then we'll
be proud about it.
Yes.
Just to add on what you are saying about Harsha has got an opportunity in one of the shipping lines, but still he didn't go. He didn't think about the salary also. They were ready to give him more money, but he preferred a terminal because he wanted to learn logistics.
he's learning it, definitely.
And in fact, I told him and I wanted him.
In fact, I'm being asked to friend, he knows the job.
Please. At the time of your interviews, at the time of facing, especially logistics and supply chain management students, when you are facing an interview, please remember Mr. Harsha and call him. He will come for an interactive session to address you all.
Yeah, because I know why. The first time I've come for an interview at Visakhapatnam Container Terminal, I've been kicked out. I was not taken. But then this is where I wanted to work. So I've come here again, I've done a course, and then again the interview, he knows how I've done the interview. So any day, it's your knowledge which keeps you going at any interview. So please be good with the subject. That's the only way you can crack any.
That's what I keep saying.
That's it. No other option.
Thank you very much.
And all I need is please maintain a queue, and they are just patiently giving us. And some of you those who can offer here, some of you.
You can sit here.
The others also can come. Their employees also can, right?
That is the management skill. Initiative. It is very important. That makes a lot of difference. The small things. You may think like, what the fuck is that and that? But then that makes a lot of impact on the other person. Because you will not be given the entire life to prove yourself. Just those fraction of seconds, be the best and then try. So then campus is the best way to get placed in the right way. Don't lose your life. Yeah? All the best. Brake handling, rail track. Okay. This is the yard. So those are called reach stackers, cranes, RTGCs. Okay. Very unfortunately, there's no operations today, or else you would have understood the complete lift-on and lift-off operations. This yard is categorized into 4 categories. No, the one on the right side, we handle all the hazardous cargo there, and this yard here, we segregate that into one into exclusively for exports, one into imports, and the one is immediate transaction. as soon as the vessel is being imported or deployed from there, it's that yard is used for immediate transaction, and then again that is replaced accordingly. So that's for both export and import, and that is for OOG. And the one beside, on the right side, from if you look at from the window, that is hazardous cargo and empty containers are kept there. Okay. So this is called the RMQC. The rail-mounted key crate. Which is holding the spreader is the operator's cabin.
Place for the
Please, you're not supposed to come down. On the right side, we have the pedestrian path for people to walk. Other than that, there's no other person who is walking on this way. Because usually on an operations day, you have a lot of traffic movement. The internet transfer vehicles keep on moving, so it's very risk-affiliated place. So if at all you'll have to get onto this key, you'll have to wear the gear, which we call protective equipment, personal protective equipment, which has a hard hat, hard shoe, and the gear. The gear is you will have to wear the suit.
Late
In the night time, it's totally supported with the high mast lights, which are very tall and very high in terms of lighting. And those are the bulk and break bulk berths in the outer harbour. They are owned by one Vedanta and two SR. They have taken them up recently.
Ore mine which is coming, it is unloaded through a conveyor belt. It is all the way. It is coming here. This is Anil Agrawal Group from UK. They have taken over this berth.
And the berths from the Vizag port. Two of them are here, and the one is in the inner harbour.
See the outer harbour operations.
On your left is the engineering facility here. So they do keep maintaining all the equipment we have here, which are the reach stackers and all. So the engineering team along with the operations team work 24/7 as I've mentioned. And these are the internal transfer vehicles. These vehicles are used for carrying the container from the quay to the yard.
వెళ్తున్నారు